Universal Reads Kids Channel.
Let's learn eating action. Bite. Bite. He took a big bite of the burger. Lick. Lick. The child licked the ice cream before it started to melt. Swallow. Swallow. He swallowed the medicine quickly. Sip. Sip. The girl took a small sip of milk. Chew. Chew. You should chew your food slowly for better digestion. Gulp. Gulp. He gulped the water after running for a long time. Aroma. Aroma. The aroma of the soup filled the entire kitchen. Nibble. Nibble. He nibbled a cookie slowly. Appetite. Appetite. She had no appetite and didn't feel like eating. Overeat. Overeat. He overate at the party and now his stomach hurts. Gobble. Gobble. He gobbled the noodles because he was very hungry. Munch. Munch. He munched on chips while watching TV. Slurp. Slurp. He slurped his noodles loudly. Scoff. Scoff. He scoffed his food because he was very hungry. Crave. Crave. She craved chocolate after dinner. Gorge. Gorge. He gorged on the noodles because he was starving.
Like, subscribe.